Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block PayPal payments. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in this video, we are going to see two types of payments. Either some automatic payments that are getting from your account to other people or to an organization, or some people that you are receiving. And basically here in this video, I'm going to follow first this Reddit post. And from here, you can see that there is the option, either you can start adding new email addresses and changing your credentials or just the email address. So you can change the receiving address. And from there, other people won't be able to send you uh, payments until they know your new address. And for that, you will be needing just to go to the settings, and from there you can add another email. So you will need just to click on add email, and from there you will be able to start adding and make sure to make it your primary email, and basically that's it. After that, you can start uh, changing the payment settings. So from here, we can go to the automatic payments. So from here, you can also control the payments that are done to other companies. So basically, if your payment is gone to other companies automatically, you can start disabling it from here. You will need just to choose the company, and basically then you will be able to disable it. So you will need just to go to merchant's website and set up PayPal, and from basically you can update your automatic payments from here. There is another way that you can try to do is by going to the seller tools, and from there you can also choose from who to accept payments. So basically here, getting paid, you can just go to payment receiving preferences, and from here you can disable payments received. So either on the accept currency that I already hold, and basically accidental payment, you will need just to block multiple payments per invoice, and you can start choosing whatever you like. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.